Welcome to Talking Trash, and today we're going to continue what we did last week on talking about single stream recycling and the new program that we have in Becker County. And so just a quick review, what is single stream, where you can put most things in one bin with recycling, and then what can I put in there? You can put newspapers, brown paper bags, magazines, catalogs, telephone books, soft cover books, junk mail and envelopes, that kind of thing. Paperboard like pop boxes and cereal boxes, metal cans, aluminum, steel, and tin, and plastic. Milk jugs, pop bottles, detergent bottles, shampoo bottles, and you can put yogurt containers, and I think I even have, maybe I put it in there already, but you can even put clamshell in there. Clamshell with the fruit and veggies come in, or the to-go containers that you get from a deli, that's the same kind of plastic. That can all go into the single stream bin. The things that we don't want in there are styrofoam to-go containers, or styrofoam cups, or kitty litter bags, the heavy duty bags. Right now those are not recyclable. Down the line they may be, but right now they're not. So that makes it quite a bit easier, and this is, people wanted single stream recycling where you could put it all in, almost all into one container. The one thing you will not see is, glass. Glass, we do not want this in this container. This glass is a contaminant, can be a contaminant, especially if it goes into the single stream and this lid gets closed and the garbage hauler or the recycling hauler comes and gets the bin, dumps it, and then compacts the recyclables. This breaks, and then you get shards of glass in the paper. Mostly the paper is what this contaminates. So if we can keep this separate and not put in the paper, that's a win for everybody. It makes this material more marketable. So we ask that everybody bring these containers, the glass containers, whether it's beverage containers or whatever comes in your glass, to the public sites, the big blue bins around the county. It's pretty simple, and everybody that I've talked to said, yeah, that's no problem, that's easy peasy. So, why are we moving to single stream? Because everybody said, when are we going to get where we can throw it all into one bin? So we're doing it. We got a $250,000 grant from the state of Minnesota. We want to make it easier for everybody. We're hoping to increase our recycling, and it actually is showing up already that recycling is increasing. And the next question, can I put bagged recyclables in my single stream bin? And we talked about that last session. So what we don't want is this whole bag put in there. We don't want that. We would like you to empty the bag out so that everything is loose in here. That would be great. And do I have to take envelopes and the windows out of envelopes and the labels off containers? Absolutely not. That comes out in the recycling process. Don't worry about that. Recycling has changed a lot in the last several years. So what's new in the program? Cartons, milk cartons, juice cartons, those kind of things. You can put that in the big blue bins. And can we put freezer boxes in there, like pizza boxes? Right now those are not recyclable, and can I tell you why? Here's an example of a pizza box. A lot of times there's pizza left over. Now this particular box is pretty clean, so this one would probably be okay to put in there. There's no grease, but generally there's a ton of grease on the cardboard, and that's a contamination. So to keep that out, if you would. How are the materials separated? Well, this bin goes out to our transfer station. We have a recycling truck that we pour all of the recycling into one truck. It's called a single sort recycling, and that truck gets shipped all the way down to Minneapolis. Those are where the markets are that will separate this for us. And so that's why we want to get it as clean as we can without the glass, so that when we ship it to the cities, we get the best product that we can to be sorted. And so, is that difficult? It's easier here, that's for sure. And what we've found is we've calculated that it's much cheaper to recycle it and send it down to the cities than it is to send it to PERM, to the Resource Recovery Facility, or to the Fargo landfill. So you doing your part, recycling and single sort recycling, is so important. And so we thank you so much for recycling. And if you have any questions, if you don't have a bin yet, call your hauler, And if you'd like a bin, they'll help you out if you're in the city limits of Detroit Lakes, Lake Park, Frazee, or Audubon. If you'd like a bin and you're outside the city limits, give our office a call and let us know. And our number 846-7310. So just a reminder, things that we can take for recycling is paper, cardboard, metal, aluminum, and tin cans, plastic, numbers 1 through 7, and cartons. Juice cartons and milk cartons and those kind of things. And that's it for Talking Trash.